Hi guys, this is Maggie from Blissful and today I'm doing my first unboxing video. Okay, so the package was delivered by RAM and yeah, let's open it up. So I'm unboxing today the Pico Snuza. Okay, so first of all, you can buy this product at Snuza, mysnuza.com, or you can go get it at Loot as well as loot.co.za and as well as takealot.com. So let's open it up nicely. I've been really excited to get this product, and we have antenatal classes this weekend, so I'm going to showcase it there as well. Okay, so first of all, this is how it looks in the box. And there it's all the extra functions you can see, and there's the Snuza inside, and it says that it's a monitors movement, body positioning, skin temperature, vibration 50 seconds, and alarm in 20 seconds. Okay, so let's open it up. If you open it up, let's see. Oh, and it also does sleep analysis, which is fantastic. So you get your Snuza Pico smart wearable monitor, your quick starter guide. Okay, so it's first this page, and then it flips open. Flips open. Oh, that is in a language I cannot read. Let's do the English. Okay, so you've got 11 steps to fully install it. Yeah, it explains what each part of the Snuza is. It explains you how to open the Snuza, positioning of the Snuza, and how to install the app on your phone and so forth. Okay, cool. I'm going to put that back. Feels like there's something more in this box. I think it's the charger. Indeed, it's the charger. Okay. So in here you get your adapter, your 2-point adapter. So in South Africa we've got a 3-point plug. So we need to use adapters for our 2-point plug. So most of our appliances come in a 2-point plug. So let me just try to get this out. And this is your charger. This slides in here. And the other way around. So I'm doing this video so that you don't make a fool out of yourself. Like I'm doing right now. There we go. Okay, so this is your charger, and then this goes into your Pico. So another thing I really like about the Pico is that you don't have to use batteries anymore. So as you know, with the Hero Go and the Hero Snuza, you had to use batteries. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is your Snuza. Comes in this neat case, and this is the charger dock. So you'll plug your charger in on at the wall, and it will charge on here. Okay, and this is the Pico. It's tiny against my hands. Okay, and yeah, you open both of them to open them. Oh, this thing is new. There we go. Okay, so this is on, so it will clip in here onto the nappy, and then you'll close the nappy down here. So I am filming in a new place right now. We are actually prepping for a home birth that's going to happen here. They're out walking at the moment, so yeah, I'll show you a bit now of the home birth. I know it's got nothing to do with the snoozer, but anyway, it just came, so I'll just show you a bit around the pool and everything, the newborn station and possible resuscitation and everything that's just set up. Okay, so you'll use your snoozer. It can last up to 7 days when it's fully charged. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. There's lots of more videos to come. This is a growing channel, so grow with me and be patient. But this will be all babies and learning. So see you soon. Bye.